There are some surveys that we fill in which don't really mean anything at all. And within a care setting, there can be a lot of forms and paperwork that we feel we need to get out of the way before the real treatment can start. Dialogue is different. It's a survey designed to measure how you rate your quality of life and your experience of the care you receive. Your responses can help structure a conversation with your healthcare professional about which areas are important to you, putting you at the center of the conversation. The dialogue form is very simple and it only has 11 questions. The first 8 questions cover different areas of your life, and the last 3 are about your treatment. You don't need to write out long responses or give too much detail. Just choose a number from 1 to 7 that best matches how you feel, with 1 being totally dissatisfied and 7 being totally satisfied. Dialogue is a personal measure. 2 people giving the same number for the same question might mean 2 very different things. There are no wrong answers, so just try to be as honest as you can. By filling in your answers at the beginning of your care, you can get a really good idea of where you are starting from in terms of quality of life. Filling them in again sometime later, either during or at the end of your treatment, can be a useful record of where you're making progress and how well your treatment is working for you. Any positive change is an achievement and can give you confidence, but we don't expect to see constant improvements all the time. If there isn't a lot of change, or your ratings get lower, we might use this as a starting point to discuss making some changes to your treatment. Whatever happens, carrying out dialogue a number of times helps to build up a picture of your care, which highlights areas that are meaningful and important to you, and can be a very useful tool to help you understand the parts of your life where you need the most help and how well the help you're already getting is working. Dialogue Plus is a way of taking things one step further, using the ratings you've given as a guide for you and your clinicians to explore and address your identified problems and wishes. It's an approach which emphasizes supporting you to inform your own care planning, find solutions, and solve problems. By measuring quality of life and quality of care over time, you and your clinician can work together towards making a meaningful and lasting difference to your well-being. And remember, you can ask your clinicians about how you can use dialogue as part of your care at any time.